It's great that they were able to take the rescue boat out on the water, but who's going to rescue the rescue boat's motor? While trying to get onto a fishing boat, this guy takes a swim and brings his friend with him.
Oh! 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 Oh, God!
This ship... When this tuber gets an unexpected companion, it becomes abundantly clear that the tube isn't big enough for the both of them. I can't decide whether this is a lifeboat fail or win. While technically a textbook freefall lifeboat drill, I'd hate to be the one inside. I mean, this isn't really a boat, but then again, no one told this guy that. While trying to grab a rope, this guy gets roped into a swim instead.
Hear that if you don't plan to leave late. Oh! We fell in the water, dude.
A large boat on a trailer, towed by a truck, towed by a front loader, meets a small incline. This man just wanted to take his boat out for a spin, but it decided it was a submarine instead. This guy is clearly an overachiever as he crashes not once but twice. This person takes the ramp and boat ramp a bit too far. Despite a little tug's best efforts, this ship seems destined to get up and personal with a pedestrian bridge. This boat had the misfortune of getting stuck in a part of a muddy river that was more mud than river. I like the energy here, but the execution left something to be desired. This vessel may have sunk, but at least it did so in style. This boat got a little too close to a smaller boat. Good thing every day is leg day. A yacht decided to speed up to make it under a closing drawbridge. Unfortunately, the marina is a no-wake zone, and this is why. This ship lost control and crashed directly into a riverside road, causing havoc. I'm honestly impressed this clown car of a boat made it as far as it did. Backward, forward, doesn't matter. Where there's a will and a beer, there's a way for this person to crash his boat into other boats.
Somebody needs to get this idiot off the boat.
Choppy water and a somewhat questionable decision to stand gave this man the opportunity to cool off into the blue ocean water. With great effort, determination, and one final push, this kayaker achieves absolutely nothing. A cargo ship crashes into a house, destroying it in the process. Haste makes waste. If this boat had only slowed down, perhaps it could have successfully executed its U-turn. Everything was going great for the passengers of this banana-shaped tube, until it decidedly wasn't anymore. Boating over the sandbar was clearly part of the plan. Getting stuck on the sandbar, not so much. That random kid better swim fast, because those canoers were not pleased with his little prank. Maybe third time's the charm for people successfully launching their kayak. Or maybe not.
No!
After this boating barbecue, the only thing getting toasty was the boat itself. A strong current can make docking a boat tricky, but this attempt was definitely a bit out of control. This boat's attempts to clear some particularly large waves resulted in all of the passengers getting completely soaked. During a rescue mission, this police vessel in Australia was catapulted into the air by a wave, sending the officers flying into the water. Luckily, nothing was injured except their pride. In this almost slow-motion looking disaster, Carnival Glory comes out looking a bit less glorious. This sailboat collides with the bow of a tanker and manages to barely scrape by, only to immediately get its sail caught in the ship's anchor. So close, yet so far. Bad design, bad operation, bad outcome. It's truly the perfect trifecta to end today's video.